Hey, what's up everyone? Pierre DV. This time it's a kind of different video because I want to talk about some of the gear I've been using and consider this kind of videos as long-term reviews. So now, without further ado, let's go and review my new helmet, which is, let me flip the camera. There we go. It's an LS2 Pioneer. It's an adventure helmet. It maintains the usual motocross helmet shape with the an added visor and there we go. Wait a second. And with integrated sunglasses. It's not a bad helmet. It's actually pretty good if you consider the price versus value ratio, as I've paid it. It was on sale, but I've paid it something like 90 euros instead of 190. Quality is decent, I guess. It's not as it's not the right term, but it's not as luxurious as my previous helmet, which you can find a review on my channel, the BMW GS Carbon helmet. But since I sold the BMW, I wanted to change my helmet as well. Quality, as you can see, don't mind the scratches. It actually fell from the bike during a rainstorm a couple weeks ago, so it got dented and then scratched. I actually like the helmet. It's not that bad. It's sort of comfortable, although in wow, this side is in a bad shape. Okay, it's pretty comfortable, even though during very long trips it starts to hurt on my forehead in this area right here. I basically had to stop at some point and chill out for like 10 minutes or something and wait for everything to, well, everything, my head basically to, in quotes, heal and then resume the trip. One thing I like about the helmet is the shape. It's actually pretty dope, I gotta admit. It's very aggressive. Don't really care about the color. It's matte black, but it goes well with my new riding suit, which you'll see in another video, the Dainese Gore-Tex Carve Master 2. That's actually awesome, and yeah, I like the shape. Very aggressive. It's a pretty cool helmet. It has air vents, one here, and you can find the button to activate it on the inside. There's air vents down up here, and one exhaust vent, which is pretty useless here on the back, along with these two that have absolutely no purpose. You can adjust the peak by unscrewing these bolts and these, well, don't even know how to call them. And you can adjust the height of the peak. It says it's, how can I say it? It's suited for wearing goggles, as you can see by these icons over there. I haven't tried it because it's pretty tight as it is, and my reading goggles, viewing goggles aren't really shaped to be fitted on an helmet. Soon I will buy an off-road mask, which I assume is gonna fit in here for when I'm doing off-road, and I don't wanna close up the visor and have it all foggy and reduce my visibility. There we go. All in all, as I said, it's not a bad helmet. It's all, I hope you guys can hear it, but it's all squeaky and everything. It's you can hear that. There we go. Also, another thing I don't like is the locking mechanism, which is just one of those fast ones. Not really my favorite, but I much prefer the double ring. I've always had that, but for the price I said, well, whatever. So that's it, guys. That's the review of the LS2 Pioneer helmet. It's the helmet I've been using lately. As I said, value for the price is actually pretty good. Just don't expect to be the definitive helmet or whatever. It's just an honest helmet with a pretty aggressive shape. Looks pretty cool. And that's it. So, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned because I have other equipment I'm gonna be reviewing. So put a like on the counter, subscribe, and don't forget to activate the bell icon to be notified of every new video. So until next time, bye.